So I bought these baskets about 2 years ago. I didn't get a chance to do Easter last year, so I still had them. And of course, they had some little expired candies inside and some little toys in it. I believe these were the larger ones that I had, maybe like the medium size. And so I took everything out, gutted it, repurposed the basket, of course, and the tissue paper. And the backer still had the original, like this. This was the original backer. So it had all, stuff like that in it. So I'm like, well, I can reuse that and just create my own. So I got some cardstock and I cut out the shape and different pictures that are like, colors for Easter. And so I used them and I put them inside. So don't pass up those 50-cent baskets that you see that, it's sure, it's Easter or whatnot. You can still hold on to them and reuse them. But yeah, so I had my own stuff and some of the stuff that was already in the baskets. Added some things to it. The bubbles, I added the finger paint for the tubs. And so I just created some, out of the stuff that I had from last year and some more stuff that I had in it. But I went to Walmart recently and I saw that they were selling baskets just like this. I'm like, okay, well, maybe people wouldn't want to buy it because it looked like something from Walmart. Okay, so I'm looking in the baskets and the ones from Walmart are like $12 and you want to get 5 or 6 things in it, which includes maybe like 2 small Skittles or M&Ms or something as those 5 or 6 items. And I'm like, bro, that's nothing. I have, quite a bit. And each egg right here has 2 suckers inside. Plus you get another sucker and more candy. Like, okay, yeah, okay. Now, if they want to go and buy the stuff from Walmart, by all means, go for it. But you'll definitely get more, paying for something that you get from someone locally versus, from Walmart. Because they definitely try to get a lot out of you. So, I just thought I'd pass that along. I mean, I'm pretty sure most basket makers know this, buy when it's on clearance and, save that way. So here's some of the stuff that I put in the basket. These, yeah, came from Walmart. I got these from a local vendor around here. Some of the stuff that came out of the baskets from the previous years. And some of these things that I bought myself, to put in the baskets. Got these Dollar General candies. Like, I buy this stuff. So, yeah, shop local.